I am pained that despite the fact that Indian Railways has provided 1200 trains exclusively earmarked to run the Shramik special trains for our migrant laborers, to take them to their hometown, to take them to their home state so that they can go back to their near and dear ones, to their families. It pains me that several states are not giving permission for these Shramik special trains. States like West Bengal, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand are not giving enough permission so that we can run Shramik specials to their states. West Bengal first gave permission for only 2 trains. Then when the Honorable Home Minister wrote to the state Chief Minister to allow trains to enter West Bengal, an announcement was made that 8 more trains will be allowed. But until today afternoon, only 5 out of those 8 trains were allowed by the West Bengal government. Yesterday also I had made an appeal to the West Bengal government to expeditiously give permission to states to send the migrant workers of West Bengal back home. Today I am informed that in the evening we received an informal communication that about 105 trains will be accepted by West Bengal in the next 30 days, which means hardly 1.5 to 2 lakh migrant laborers can go back home to their state West Bengal from now until 15 June, in the next 30 days. There are over 30 to 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs people from West Bengal who want to go back home. What will happen to the rest of them? They will have to either walk back all the way to West Bengal or take a cycle or a bus or hitch onto a truck or walk on the tracks. Look at the colossal risk that lakhs and lakhs of laborers from West Bengal will have to suffer because the West Bengal government is not giving permission to these trains to enter West Bengal. I once again appeal to West Bengal. Instead of giving 105 trains in 30 days, please give permission for 105 trains every day. And we will send all the migrant labor of West Bengal who wants to go back home. We are not forcing anybody.